Thank you for choosing the iSpring Faucet Mount Water Filter. With proper installation and maintenance, this water filter will provide you with clean and refreshing water for years to come. Please follow the instructions in this video for proper installation procedures. Before we begin, please ensure all parts were included in the package in which your faucet filter arrived. This filter is designed to be used on cold municipal tap water only. This filter is designed to be used indoors only. Do not install at a location that is exposed to direct sunlight or a freezing environment. This filter is designed to be used on standard aerators. The included all-purpose connector will work with faucets without an aerator. Please note, the filter will not work with pull-out, pull-down faucet, spray-style faucet, unconventional faucet, and faucets with on-off sensors. Contact us directly if you have questions. Installation. Step 1. Remove the filter lid located on the right-hand side by turning the lid counterclockwise. Then insert a new filter cartridge. Align the fitting location so the filter will be inserted completely. Step 2. Reinstall the lid by turning it clockwise. Reset the filter life indicator by pressing and holding the button for 6 seconds. Step 3. Remove the connector nut on the filter by turning counterclockwise. Remove the aerator from the faucet. Step 4. Insert the connector nut through the faucet. Place an O-ring inside the aerator connector and attach it to the faucet. If using a faucet without an aerator, connect the universal connector to the faucet instead. The connector can be adjusted to fit different sizes. Step 5. Connect the filter to the faucet. Secure the filter with connector nut by turning it clockwise. Step 6. Turn on the faucet and check for leaks. Switch the knob to the filtered water mode. Let the water run for a minute to flush any loose carbon out of the filter. Turn off the faucet when flushing is complete. Filter operations. The filter has a 3-way bypass valve. Turn the knob on the right-hand side to change the type of water being dispensed. A symbol will appear at the top of the knob. Refer to the chart to switch between bypass stream, bypass shower, and filtered water mode. Battery operations. A CR2032 cell battery is pre-installed with the filter. The display screen will be activated once the knob is turned to filter water mode. To replace the battery, use a coin and turn the battery cap counterclockwise to release the cap, remove the old battery, and insert a new battery with positive side facing up. Put the cap back and secure the cap by turning clockwise. Filter replacement. Step 1. Ensure the faucet is off. Remove the filter lid located on the right-hand side by turning the lid counterclockwise. Step 2. Remove the used filter cartridge, then insert a new filter cartridge. Align the fitting location so the filter will be inserted completely. Step 3. Reinstall the lid by turning it clockwise. Reset the filter life indicator by pressing and holding the button for 6 seconds. Step 4. Turn on the faucet and check for leaks. Switch the knob to the filtered water mode. Let the water run for a minute to flush any loose carbon out of the filter. Shut off the faucet when finished. Congratulations! Your iSpring faucet filter installation is now complete. Please replace the filter cartridge accordingly. Refer to the user manual for details or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you for watching.